I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get core blocks. We'll start by understanding what these foundational components are. Core blocks are the absolute essential pieces that form the bedrock of any successful project. They are the irreducible elements, typically numbering between 3 and 7, that ensure basic functionality and stability. Grasping their importance is the first crucial step in any development journey. Our first practical step is to define your project's scope. This means clearly outlining its primary objectives and what you aim to achieve. A precise scope, often detailed in a one-page summary, helps narrow down essential requirements and prevents unnecessary additions. It's about setting clear boundaries to ensure focus and efficient resource allocation from the very beginning. Next, identify the essential functions. These are the absolute minimum capabilities your project needs to operate. Think about what it absolutely must do. Prioritize these functions based on their criticality to the core purpose. You should aim for a concise list, typically comprising 3 to 7 key functions, to maintain clarity and focus on what truly matters. Finally, it's time to acquire or develop your core blocks. First, assess if existing solutions or off-the-shelf components can fulfill your identified functional needs. If not, plan for the development of custom core components. Ensure each block directly supports one or more essential project functions. This strategic approach ensures every piece contributes meaningfully to your project's success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.